Okay, let's look at adding mixed numbers. So the first thing we do is we add up all the whole numbers. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 6 is 16. So we have a 16 here. Now we add up the fractions. Do you see they've all got the same denominator? So we can just add them up straightforward. They've all got a 9 at the bottom. So we're going to go 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we write the 7 over the denominator, which is 9. That was easy. Okay. Now we're going to look at the next step. Once again, we're going to add up our whole numbers. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 6 is 16. So we're going to write the 16 down. Okay. Then we've got the same denominator, 9, 9, 9. So that's all good and well. We can add the top ones up. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5 is 11. There's our answer, but it's not good enough. Why isn't it good enough? Because here we have an improper fraction. So what we do is we first take that improper fraction away. We just take it to another part of the page. And we're going to convert it into a normal fraction. 9 divided into 11 goes once. 9 times 1 is 9, so 11 minus 9 is 2. So it's 2 over 9 is our remainder. So there's our fraction. So what we do is we're going to bring it back here now, like it must behave. We rewrite this as 16 plus 1 and 2 ninths. That's what this was, okay, when we converted it. We haven't changed any value. We've just changed the way it looks. So let's do this piece here. 16 plus 1 and 2 ninths. That's going to be equal to 17 and 2 ninths. Okay. Right. Now without all my scribbles, let's do it again so that you can understand it. We'll just go back to where we are left with the improper fraction. Okay, so this sum basically came down here and became that. Okay, and it's now 16 and an improper fraction. So we can rewrite it as 16 plus whatever this improper fraction becomes. 9 goes into 11 once, remainder 2 over 9, and that is equal to 16 plus 1 is 17 and 2 ninths. Okay, a little bit clearer now. Let's do another one. Let's look at this one here. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 2 is going to be equal to 13. So we have equals 13. We've got the same denominator here, so that's fine. All we have to do is add the numerators. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So it's going to be 9 over 8. 3 and 9 over 8. Okay, is that good enough as it stands there? No, it's not. Not 3, sorry, 13 and 9 over 8. So we're going to write our 13 down. But this 9 over 8, oh my word, it's an improper fraction. We're going to have to do something with it. We're going to have to go convert it. 9 over 8 actually is, I'm going to plus this 9 over 8 is going to become 1 and 1/8, because 8 goes into 9 once with 1 remainder. So we're going to write it here, 13 plus 1 and 1/8. And the final answer is 13 plus 1, which is 14, and then the 1/8 standing with it. Got it? In the next lecture, we'll look at how we can do this by using improper fractions. You might find that easier. But we're first going to show you the skill, so in case you like it, you can use it. Okay, so now you're going to do this one at home. I hope you can do it. Press pause, try and do it, come back, and we'll do it together. Okay, right, so you're back. Let's do this one. 9 plus 6 is 15. And 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so we see we are left with an improper fraction here. Hey? So we're going to rewrite it as 15 plus whatever this improper fraction becomes, and we know that's going to be 4 goes into 5 once with 1 remainder. 1 and 1/4. So the final answer is 15 plus 16 and our quarter standing next to it. Did you get that? I hope so. I'm going to create another video where we use these exact same mixed numbers, but we first make them improper fractions, and you might find that an easier way of doing it. So if you're not comfortable with that, look out for that video next. See you. Bye.